could never have happened, without all those people contributing. They gave their money, they gave their life, they gave everything to make Matrimandir happen.
It's a symbol of Auroville and is a force. It's made from the people live here, for the people live here, by the people live here. And I feel grateful whenever I'm there.
We used to regularly hang out there ourselves. That was like our play corner. So we would take the toys and we would go and chill under the banyan tree.
It's like a place where you can find peace immediately. So you enter there and then forget everything.
Matrimandir is a place of not being and not doing. It's a place of just to feel the presence of oneself.
It's her place, it's her house. She's really there.
It's an attempt to demystifying religion and bringing an individual and unique approach to spirituality that a person can relate to without dogmas and rituals.
I believe Matrimandir is a soul which will bring the unity and the need energy for Auroville.
It's my dope. It's a place where I like to be there every afternoon. Some people like to have, a glass of beer or whatever at the end of the day. I like to be there at Matrimandir.
But really the Matrimandir, I think we could say it's my journey through Auroville.